So we're winding down here. What have we discussed? We talked about creating a high-velocity credit union. And we went through 3 components. We looked at leadership, people, and systems. And we said leadership is responsible for direction, creating clear direction. And we talked about the 6 guiding forces of credit union growth. And in that context, the most important slide that you saw today was the playing field, the 8 pillars of strategic alignment. Next, we talked about people. We talked about job performance, strengths, overhauling processes, high-value actions, and incentives, unleashing your thought leaders, and that creates speed around the clear direction that leaders give. And then we talked about systems, using strategic marketing as a way to look at a system. And you've got many systems in your credit union. You prioritize which ones are most important to you right now, going forward into 2017, and look at those systems and see if they need to be overhauled and see if they need to be realigned into your strategic thinking. So we talked about thinking and acting like a champion. These are the things that champions do, that champion organizations do. It's hard. It's really hard. It's hard to be a champion. Don't you think it's hard to be Michael Phelps? I was wondering if he's going to go for another Olympics. It's hard. But this separates average from good to excellent. Thinking and acting like a champion. It takes passion. It takes persistence. You're not going to get there overnight. You've got to believe in this. You've got to work together as a board and executive management. It takes humility. Because you've got to think, I've been doing this the same way. It works, but maybe there is a better way. There probably is. And so, what I'd like to see you do is to take this back to your next board meeting and review it and say, what did we learn here? Are there any things that we can adopt in our credit union? How can we create a higher velocity credit union? How can management be clearer in their direction? How can employees be more effective and efficient? And how can our systems help propel us forward going into the future? So I really appreciate your time here, and it's been great to be in Coeur d'Alene. Thanks so much.